Before every major project you need to oil your Singer 319. Use sewing machine oil only and no WD-40. It's not a big task, but there are a lot of spots you can and need to oil. In the manual you can find pictures of what and where to oil. Let's start by removing the faceplate. Behind the faceplate, oil everything metal on metal that hinges or moves. There are 11 oiling points according to the manual. For illustration purposes, I oiled some of these points, but not everything. Also 1 drop of oil on or near the press foot bar. When tilted backwards, you can oil underneath. Turn the hand wheel back and forth in order to see the mechanism move. Now you know what to oil. There are 9 points underneath the bed. Most of those points are also accessible by using the small oil holes on the bed itself. There are 9 oil holes on the bed and 1 on the pillar on the rear. Deposit 1 drop of oil in each of them. On the rear you can see the so-called swing back cover plate according to the manual. Remove that plate and oil the mechanism behind the plate. Also oil the swing or zigzag mechanism near the needle bar. On the top of the machine there are 7 oiling points, including near the piano keys, the balance wheel and the bobbin winder. It is recommended you oil the bobbin case holder too. Remove the needle and the foot in order to access the raise mechanism and feed dogs. Remove the needle plate or throat plate. Now remove any lint and dust with a stiff brush. When you're done with that task, oil that too. Again, I haven't filmed oiling everything, but this gives you an idea. Good luck maintaining your Singer 319 or Singer 320.